Hello students. In our previous class, we have started a discussion about essentials of valid consideration or rules relating to consideration. So if you see the previous year's question papers, this is a question which is often asked. We have already discussed fourth point, it need not to be adequate. Still we have to discuss three more points. Now fifth point, consideration must be real. Now what does it mean by consideration must be real? Consideration need not to be adequate. So in previous point we have seen that adequacy of consideration is not required as per law. Adequacy has to be decided by the parties themselves. Consideration need not to be adequate, but it must be real and not illusory. Illusory means it must not be something which is impossible of performance. If consideration is physically impossible of performance, it is vague or legally impossible, the contract cannot be performed. So the consideration must be possible of performance, it should be real, it should not be vague, impossible either physically or legally, then such a contract cannot be enforced. So example of it is a promise by a man to make two parallel lines meet is not a good consideration. One person promises the other person that if you pay 5,000 rupees to me, I will make two parallel lines to meet. So this thing is physically impossible of doing, and that is a bad consideration. It is not a good consideration. It is not a real consideration. It is illusory consideration. Therefore, such a consideration is not a valid consideration. Next is consideration must be lawful. Now what does it mean by consideration must be lawful? So the consideration for an agreement must be lawful. An agreement is void if the consideration is based on, if the agreement is based on unlawful consideration. If in any agreement the consideration of it is unlawful, that agreement is void, not enforceable by law. Now, the consideration is unlawful. When we can call any consideration as unlawful, the first point is when it is forbidden by law. Forbidden means law opposes that. Law prohibits that doing something, that means forbidden by law. So all these points, unlawful consideration, we have to discuss one subtopic of it. So here we will not discuss it in detail, just we will have a glance at the point. If the consideration is prohibited by law, forbidden by law, then if the consideration is of such nature that if that consideration is permitted, it would defeat the provisions of any law. That means the consideration is against the provisions of any law, or the consideration is fraudulent, it is with respect to committing a fraud, or the consideration involves or it implies injury to person or property of another, or the court considers that consideration as immoral or opposed to public policy, which is opposed, which is bad for public policy, means which is not good for general public. If the court considers that consideration as immoral or which is not good for welfare of the general public, that consideration is considered as unlawful consideration, and if in any contract there is unlawful consideration, such contract is void, not enforceable by law. Seventh point, it must be something which the promisor is not already bound to do. Means consideration or doing something should be such act which the promisor is not already bound by law to do. A promise to do what one is already bound to do, either by general law or under an existing contract, is not a good consideration for a new promise. Now, I will give an example of it so you will understand this point. A person A promised to pay money to a police officer. For what he is paying money to police officer? To investigate into the crime. Actually, it is a duty of the police officer to investigate into a crime. There is no need to pay anything to him. Government is paying him. So there is no need to pay anything to police officer to investigate into the crime. It is his duty by law. Whenever there is an agreement it was considered as invalid because the officer is already under the duty to investigate into the crime by law. Therefore, any agreement to pay money for investigating into a crime to a police officer, that is a bad consideration, and that consideration is that contract is not enforceable by law. Thank you.